Considered a mid-range LED TV with local dimming, excellent picture quality, and an affordable price tag, the Vizio M-Series Quantum X is definitely one for the books. If you need a great TV that comes with good features as well as helping you keep your budget in check, then this may be the right TV for you. Here is the Vizio M-Series Quantum X Smart TV review. Great color and brightness. Introduced in 2022, the Vizio M-Series Quantum X is a mid-range 4K QLED TV with quantum dot technology. Part of the Vizio lineup for 2023 along with the Vizio M6 Series Quantum 2022, which is a much less expensive model with fewer features and picture quality as compared to the M-Series Quantum X. The Vizio P-Series Quantum 2021 is believed to be better than the Vizio M-Series Quantum X versions. Although their peak brightness is comparable, the P-Series can, in some feature areas, be a better option for a bright space than the Vizio M-Series. The P-Series also offers significantly improved contrast, focusing on deep blacks, which makes the blacks in a dark setting deeper and more consistent.
Oh my god, that's so good!
Additionally, the Vizio M-Series Quantum shares many other features with the Vizio P-Series Quantum 2021, such as its compatibility with eARC, the Vizio SmartCast software system, and variable refresh rate (VRR) support, which we will emphasize more on coming up later in the video. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X doesn't start with a regular 55-inch most smart TV brands come with, but offers a smaller 50-inch, and you have a few options to pick from, including the 65-inch and 75-inch sizes. Manufacturers of the Vizio M-Series Quantum X promotes the smaller 50-inch model, stating its ability to be comparable in terms of performance to the 65 and 75 inches. Design and display. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X's straightforward design gives off a premium appearance, with all four sides of the bezels looking extremely thin with a slender and elegant stand. Weighing 26 pounds without the stand, the Vizio M-Series Quantum X comes with three model options: the Vizio 50-inch M50QXM K01 model, the Vizio 65-inch M65QXM K03 model, and the Vizio 75-inch M75QXM K03 model.
And I can't pick which one, you know?
The screen material extends almost to the bottom border, which is a gray metallic edge that matches the frame and triangle-shaped stand supports. Instead of being spread out to the sides, the stand's legs are in the middle with two leg heights available, and one is about 2 inches taller than the other to accommodate soundbars, and the chrome Vizio logo is on the right. For all the best stuff in tech, we've got you covered right here. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. The M-Series Quantum X is the most affordable 2022 Vizio TV and one of the least expensive TVs overall, providing full array local dimming, which improves the quality of pictures on LCD-based TVs. The local dimming works by separating the screen into distinct dimming zones, which enhances contrast and black levels and delivers superior HDR, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+, as well as outstanding peak brightness in SDR, allowing the TV to eliminate dazzling light in a bright room easily. Peak HDR brightness on the Vizio M-Series Quantum X 2022 is excellent. Bright highlights become incredibly bright, creating an engaging HDR experience in both games and movies. With 16 zones on the 50-inch, 30 on the 65-inch, and 42 on the 75-inch, the M-Series Quantum X has fewer zones than other expensive TVs, like the TCL 6 series and Hisense U8H. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X runs on the SmartCast Smart TV software, which incorporates Wi-Fi 6 into the TV for faster streaming. It comes at an affordable price you wouldn't want to miss. Keep up with us and let's find out. The remote has a matte black plastic finish that gives off a classy appearance and feels almost like it is metal. The power, home, settings, and input buttons are located above the navigation circle pad, which also has specific buttons for Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, iHeartRadio, Pluto TV, Tubi, and Vizio's Watch Free Plus channel. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X's microphone button on the remote can be used to engage SmartCast software's built-in assistant, which can aid you in easily finding a show or movie. So for instance, you can say, stand-up comedy shows or K-drama, and you will have a wide range of TV shows and movies you can select from and watch. Although it is not as intelligent as the popular smart assistants like Google Assistant or Alexa, it is nonetheless effective in searching across all streaming services. Price. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X prices range from $629.99 to $1,199.99, which is affordable compared to other high-end TVs like Hisense U8H. The 50-inch M50QXM-K01 model sells at $629.99. The 65-inch M65QXM-K03 model sells at $849.99. And the M-Series QX75-inch M75QXM-K03 model also sells at $1,199.99. Connectivity. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X TV includes 4 HDMI ports, one with HDMI 2, where there is one eARC and one that supports 4K/120Hz for gaming, a 2.0 USB port, an Ethernet LAN port, 3.5mm and optical audio outputs, an analog audio output, stereo RCA, and an RF antenna/cable connector. Gaming. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X is compatible with the majority of sources that support variable refresh rate, VRR, including contemporary and video graphics cards, and works through a wide frame rate range to provide an almost lag-free gaming experience. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X is a good gaming TV. The HDMI ports are compatible with Xbox Series X, supporting 4K/120Hz. The TV also has a 120Hz panel and supports variable refresh rate VRR with auto low latency mode, ALLM, and features AMD FreeSync and HDR, improving incredible smoothness during gaming sessions like playing games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So if you want the Vizio M-Series Quantum X for its gaming features or other amazing features at an affordable price than most high-valued smart TVs, this is for you. It may not be excellent in every aspect, but the good news is that it can equally pull its weight. For some upcoming interesting TV news, check out our video on the transparent TV we could be seeing in 2023.